What's up, my friends? I hope you're doing well. My name is Navid Hosseini, and this is Hyperpix. And in this video, I'm back with another text effect to this beautiful text style and logo. Without any knowledge, you can apply your text and logo to this beautiful template. This took 20 hours of our very skilled designers. You can apply this in just 5 minutes. That's huge investment on time. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and grab a premium account and download this right now, right here. Okay, before anything else, you can apply this in any language. As you can see, we got the Japanese version here that you can see is doing really well on this logo. I hope you can enjoy this as much as I'm doing right now here, okay? But before anything else, let me show you how this works. Okay, let's see about that. To edit the first text, right-click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. Right here, double-click on your text and type whatever you want. Our Las Vegas, right? You can change the size of the font, or you can change the warp. Right-click and change the band. There it is. Position a little bit higher. It's good. You can change the pattern from the pattern overlay. You can put the scale on 50. We're gonna have smaller pattern. It's totally up to you. Close the window and select yes. Okay. There it is. You can see the first layer of design applied to our template. You can actually change each color. For example, if you want to change the color here, double click here, and from bevel and emboss, and from the stroke, you can change the color. For example, I'm gonna put it on like blue, close it and select yes again. There it is. You can see the blue color here. Everything is customizable. How about that, right? Okay, now from the effects and FX1, you can see style and extrusion. Click on the FX icon, and from the outer glow, you can change the color here. For example, if I want to put this on blue, there it is. You can see the blue color up there. All right, let's get back to pink style. Okay, now right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. Here, all you gotta do is just double click on the text layer and type whatever you want. But first and the ending letters are capitals. I'm sorry, they're not capitals. They're the size of, they are having a bigger size. So you make sure you are doing the same thing. Each of these letters have the same color. If you want to type like at the same time, you're going to have the same color. Type one by one, and you're going to have different colors. If I want to keep this, you can have this. But if you want, you can have them as same color. If I want to save this, like from the files, you can save it. You can see the result here. There it is. You can see the result here. We are having a various of colors. You can have this just as one color. I have this a monocolor design from the save this, and you can see the result here. There it is. Beautiful monocolor pink. So you're totally free to use any color. I think that's good, right? And let's get back to the previous color, and there it is. So I'm going to show you exactly one by one so that you can know how these layers works. Okay, before anything else, go to effects and disable extrusion from the effects and do the same thing for the second one. What we're doing is disabling the 3D design so we can have more speed in editing. So we're gonna do this temporarily. We'll get back to this, I promise you, and we're gonna enable this and we can see the result then. Okay, from the adjustment up there, we got color balance, hue, saturation, and brightness contrast layers that you can select each of them and change the variables so you can get a new result and get new color. As you can see here, very easy to use. Very easy to use. It's totally up to you and to your color theme. We got smoke. We got the subtle smoke upon our design. You can change the color from the color overlay. For example, if you put blue, yellow, everything. This is our design. Next one is glow. You can see the glow and highlights. You can see. You can disable all of them or remove all of them and have one of them left. Put this on your text and press Alt and drag it on different parts of your design if you want to. You can resize it. Easy peasy. Okay. We got sparkles. We got sparkles 1 and sparkles 2, which is for up and down. You can disable them. So we're gonna put this one by one where they should go. If you want to have more speed, remove all of them but one and press Alt and drag it at different parts of your design. I recommend you put them on the edges of your design so you can have get a better look. And you can just disable them or not using them. This is totally up to you. Okay, we got sparkles for the second text. I'm not going to bore you with the rest of them, but you make sure you're doing the same thing. Okay, FX contains the technical parts. All we gotta do is to disable extrusions so we can have more speed, and we'll get back to this later. Next one is the sign and the stage of our design. If you disable them, you can see what happens. Okay, everything is editable. For example, even you can change the shadow, lights. From here, I can disable these lights. There it is. Easy to use. Or you can like have this like remove them by any number that we want. It's totally editable. So that's it with the lights. And so we got particles, something that you can see in the air, and we got the background. We got the smoke in the background, inner shadow, and LED walls, rays, and the background colors. Everything is customizable. I'm not gonna bore you with the details. Okay, we're done, and everything is good. Let's get back to FX and turn on extrusions. And 3D kicks in. You can see the result. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. If you want to like change the position, go to FX and select the folder number 2 and like switch their places so you can have the casino text upon your Las Vegas design. We can apply another logo to this template. Go to edit content window again and import Coca-Cola's logo in this window. Position it in the middle. Now, all we gotta do is to change the, copy the styles on our logo. Drag the FX icon on your logo layer. Now remove the previous layer and close it and select yes. There it is. You can see Coca-Cola's logo And our design beautifully applied. We can edit this. For example, if I want to type stars, STAR, and remove this. Okay, stars. I can change the font. There it is. I'm gonna change the length and I'm gonna resize it a little bit, make this a little bit smaller. I think it's good. I'm gonna resize a little bit. We can change the colors by random. Go to hue and now you can change the color. Easy and attractive. Okay, for example, I like this one. Okay, there it is. Close it and select yes. Beautifully applied. As you can see, the fonts has been changed, colors has changed. It's totally up to us. We can change the colors again. Everything is perfect, as you can see here. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Go to hyperpix.net and download this right now, right here, and get access to this text effects and hundreds of text effects just like this one. Please subscribe to our channel right now, and thanks for watching this.